Understanding the phrase, part ways. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, part ways. This is a common expression in English, and it's useful to know whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your advanced language skills. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. Part ways is an idiomatic expression that means to end a relationship or association with someone. This could be a personal relationship, a business partnership, or any other type of association. When two or more people part ways, they are deciding to go their separate directions and not continue their relationship or collaboration any longer. For example, after 5 years of working together, the two business partners decided to part ways. Even though they were great friends in college, they parted ways after graduation and lost touch. Using part ways in a sentence is quite straightforward. You generally follow it with the person or people you are separating from. Examples: Sarah and John decided to part ways after 3 years of marriage. The band decided to part ways with their manager due to creative differences. You can also use it in a more abstract sense, to talk about parting ways with ideas, habits, or places. Examples: I decided to part ways with my old, unhealthy eating habits. After 10 years living in New York, he parted ways with the city and moved to the countryside. One common mistake learners make is confusing part ways with depart. While they both involve leaving or separating, part ways specifically implies ending a relationship or association, whereas depart can be used for simply leaving a place or a situation. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, part ways. We hope you now feel confident understanding and using this expression in your everyday English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.